Chand, studying Sri Venkateshwara Engineering College, subject Introduction to Python Program. Today we discuss about explain how to create a file in different modes and folder creation using the Python program. Introduction. Python provides various modes for creating files such as read, write and append. These modes determine how the files can be interacted with, whether it can be read from or write to or both. Additionally, Python allows for the creation of folders to organize files in hierarchical structure. Creating a file in written mode. To create a file in written mode, you can use the open function with the file name and the mode parameter set to W. Example: file equals to open parenthesis example dot text comma W. This will create a new file named example text or overwrite an existing file with the same name. Writing the file. Once the file is created in written mode, you can write content to it using the write method. Example: file.write. This is an example file. The content will be added to the file, replacing any existing content. Closing the file. After writing the file, it is essential to close it using close method to free up system resource. Example: file close. Closing the file enhances that all changes are saved and file assembled for further operations. Creating a file in read mode. To create file in read mode, use the open function with the file name and the mode parameter set to R. Example: file equals to open example dot text R. This will open the existing example text file for reading. Reading from the file. Once the file is opened in the read mode, you can read its content using the read method. Example: content equals to file.read. The content variable will store the entire content of the file as a string. Creating a file is append mode. To create a file append mode, use the open function with a file name and the mode parameter set to A. Example: file equals to open example dot text A. This will open the file for appending new content at the end without overwriting existing content. Appending the file. Once the file is opened in appended mode, you can add new content to ending using the return method. Example: file.write /n. This is additional content. The /n represents a new line character, erasing the new content appears in new line. Creating folders. To create a folder using Python, you can use OS module and its mdk or function. Example: import OS and then os.mkdir file folder name. This will create a new folder with the specified name in the current working directory. Summary: Python provides different modes for creating files, including write, read, and append. Write mode always allows for creating a new file or overwriting existing file. Read mode enables reading a content of an existing file.